President, a dress code might be a choice of the senators, but racism should not be the choice of the Senate.
She is disrespecting a faith. She is disrespecting the Muslims out there,
Senator
Muslim
Faruqi.
Australians. It's absolutely unconstitutional.
We want to ban you, actually.
How dangerous you are to this country.
Senator Hanson.
I'm quite happy to remove this because this is not what should belong in this parliament. My position on banning the burqa, and I still stand strong by that, if they really believed in what they were saying, they didn't want to ban the burqa, yet they denied me the right to wear it on the floor of parliament.